Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to tell you a short story again and direct you how to improve speaking skill. Well, the story tells us about how to use past tense, simple past tense, model can, present tense of be. And I already explained about the subject in the last videos. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. Are you ready? Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence to improve speaking skill. Harry is in a cell too. He cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I have to put on this terrible uniform. I have to get up at 6 every morning. What happened? How did the police know? Alright, now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence and try to memorize it. I will ask you some question about it. Well, Harry is in prison too. He is sitting in a cell. He is thinking. I cannot believe it. I have to get up at 6 every morning. I have to put on this terrible uniform. What happened? How did the police know? Alright, now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Harry in prison too? Question number 2. Is he sitting in a cell? Can he believe it? Does he have to get up at 6 every morning? What does he have to put on? Well, do you still remember the story? Well, now I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.